Hello and welcome. A quick update. It was one of those nights where you sleep for about 4 hours really early and you wake up and it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, silver market finding support here. No, no, not maybe. Maybe not. As in, it's went through this key level, slowly grinding through, coming close to the 50% mark. Declining 18 average now along the way. If it keeps going lower, well below 17, I don't think we need for a test to deem it a bear market. Although, with that being stated, it is due for a bounce. Just because it's due doesn't mean it's going to happen here. It could very easily have a huge red move here and then bounce. Maybe a huge red move here. Maybe it goes down to $4 in one move. No, the club can't do that, can they? I don't think so, but we do have a situation where when it does rally, Fibonacci retracement from this point into here will be key, of course, within the physical commodity play in that game of buying and selling and such. Prices are cheaper now, and if they bring it down more with another red candle day, it would even be more cheaper than that. The Silver Eagles on the US Mint website has been alarmingly low recently. Is this to do with the Silver Eagles itself, meaning other bullion coins and rounds are doing as fine as they were before or not depleting in mintage? I don't know the answer to that, but maybe a lot of silver investors are now, because they have so much silver, diversifying into cryptocurrencies and they've already got enough, just not buying more. I don't know the answer to that, but I'll talk about that more later on. Bitcoin chart found support right where it did before, interestingly enough, and now the question now becomes sideways correction or price correction. Silver was a price correction, same test in this situation here. And the 18 average band right now is flat. Any further decline, I'd be looking for a move down towards here. Any further increases in price, I'd be adjusting the key Fibonacci towards this low. And of course, the high in near around 1300. And this low is in at about 1135. So that would be the key levels within that point of view. As far as this chart is concerned, I just want to focus on the major losses. You got situations, and this is big on the crypto community, where it seems like it goes up and down really fast. I've seen this with a lot of the other miscellaneous currency crypto charts paired with Bitcoin, doing a lot of these moves, actually more aggressive than this one. But it's interesting because, okay, so it was way up here and you had a chance to buy down in here cheaper. It was even way up here, cheaper chance here, down in here, even there for that matter, you had a cheaper price. And I'm really referring to when it comes down to the 18 average lows from a decent place up top. And well, every single time, this one was previous resistance, and in this case in here, this was previous resistance as well. So now the last previous big resistance is in here. So the question becomes, will there be a big price correction at some point to go there? Well, on this chart, this is just liftoff support from the level, meaning you just broke it, you've had a decent gain, and you're now going to try to lift off from there. Going back to the daily chart, we can do the same thing here. Lift off support here. Now this is mid-term support at the level. So therefore, for there to be long-term support in here, it has to have a decent gain up in here before coming back. So that lies the next question. When there's a 15-20% pullback, couple $100, well, yeah, 15-20% based on price, where the action hits to the 18 lows, what will the price be? Will it be here? That's what the trend has been. So it's another way of saying that if this is a cheap price to buy, you're pretty much at it now. Yes, there could be a little bit of further corrections as I talk about in the daily chart. And there still lies a possibility of more intermediate corrections. Of course, at this stage, with these pattern of higher highs and higher lows, right now this is the high, but I would probably guess there's a better chance that it's going to change to up here before we even start testing a new low within this time frame. So I'm going to conclude the video at that. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.